Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Toyota Hilux SR Extra Cab, stock reference number 4067. This vehicle has a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. We have the left power door mirror in black. Left rear door appears to have no damage. It's fitted with 17-inch steel rims with the BF Goodrich Mud Terrain tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Spare wheel. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good BF Goodrich Mud Terrain tyre. Right front 17-inch steel rim with a good BF Goodrich Mud Terrain tyre. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch, suit extra cab or single cab. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-inch touchscreen CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone and display button. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.